Tandemloc provides this AL50 series lift/spreader beam combo as an extremely versatile option to a standalone spreader beam or lift beam. Due to the high demand for this design, Tandemloc has been designing and stocking a wider variety of these lift/spreader beam combo beams. Depending on the application, this versatile design allows for the beam to be used as either a lift beam or a spreader beam. When being used as a lift beam, there are multiple center pick points on top that allow the user to adjust for the center of gravity on an uneven load. When used as a spreader beam, the two outside pick points provide a location where a top sling can be attached using shackles. Tandemloc can provide the top rigging, or you can use your own. The bottom pad eye runs the entire span of the beam and can have shackles placed in any of the holes to adjust for the lifted object's size or center of gravity. Tandemloc currently has AL50 designs with working load limits from 10,000 pounds to 60,000 pounds and spans from 108 inches to 240 inches. However, we can readily offer custom versions of this design that fit your requirements. As with all Tandemloc below-the-hook products, we designed the AL50 series lift/spreader beam combo to ASME B30.20 and BTH1 and proof test to 125% of the working load limit. If you want more information about these products, you can visit our website at tandemloc.com. You can also reach us by emailing info@tandemloc.com or calling 1-800-258-7324.